Going viral is one thing. Staying relevant is something else entirely. For many creators, internet fame lasts only a few weeks, sometimes only a few days. But Khabane Lame was about to prove that his story wasn't just another viral trend. As his audience continued to grow, so did the opportunities. Global brands wanted to work with him. Fashion houses invited him. Companies recognized something remarkable. His audience wasn't limited by language. It was global. For marketers, that kind of reach is incredibly rare. The same simplicity that made millions laugh also made brands feel safe. His content was positive, easy to understand, and relatable almost anywhere in the world. Without changing who he was, Khabane transformed attention into opportunity. What started with a smartphone had become an international career, not because he chased fame, but because he consistently delivered something people enjoyed. Again, and again, and again. There's an important lesson hiding here. Most people think success creates consistency. In reality, consistency creates success. Every simple video, every upload, every small improvement was another brick, building something much bigger than anyone could see. Whether you're building a business, a YouTube channel, or a dream nobody else believes in, the principle remains the same. You don't need to impress everyone. You only need to give people a reason to come back tomorrow. Khabane Lame didn't become successful because one video went viral. He became successful because he built trust, one upload at a time. But perhaps his greatest lesson has nothing to do with social media at all. It's about seeing opportunity where everyone else only sees obstacles. And that's exactly where our story ends. Or does it? Because behind every extraordinary success, there's one final lesson that almost everyone overlooks.